you won't tell us what crime is, perhaps your young friend will. You're a brave warrior, and you deserve a better death. And again.